shoes, and more shoes. Tonight, members of a local radio station are boxing up a mountain of shoes to be sent to our nation's capital.
My 33's Carrie Codd is in Fort Lauderdale to explain this one.
There are thousands of pairs of shoes here, and local radio personality Joyce Kaufman will be taking them to Washington this weekend. Many of these shoes have messages on them, like "Daughter of Legal Immigrants." On this one, it's clear that this illegal immigration debate continues to strike a chord in South Florida. We all remember this dramatic scene of Haitian immigrants arriving at Hallandale Beach several weeks ago. WFTL radio talk show host Joyce Kaufman says illegal immigration must stop. And she's got the shoes and messages to prove it.
Please protect our borders, President Bush.
Kaufman challenged her listeners to donate shoes she can take with her to Washington for an anti-illegal immigration rally. She says she's taking their souls to D.C. to hold lawmakers' feet to the fire.
That we're sick and tired of spending our tax dollars to support people who came in this country illegally. I don't know which part of illegal that I don't get.
Kaufman says she's not against immigrants. She's Hispanic. She says it's the lax border protection and drain on our tax dollars that bother her.
When my ancestors came over here, they had sponsors, they were part of quotas, they came in with jobs, they learned the language, they applied for citizenship.
The contribution of the undocumented immigrants is very, very significant here.
Lucy Tondreau is an activist in the Haitian community. She calls these folks undocumented immigrants and says they have good reasons to stay.
People are coming here for fear of persecution. People are coming here to have a better life for their family and their children and themselves. People are coming here to reach the American dream.
Besides, she says, most illegal immigrants work tough jobs that help the economy. Kaufman disagrees and hopes her soulful march on Washington leaves a large footprint.
Everybody's afraid of what you said. Is it xenophobia? Is it bigotry? Is it racism? Is it hatred? This is patriotism.
So while the community continues to debate the merits of illegal immigration, one thing is clear: this has certainly touched the nerve in South Florida. All these boxes also contain shoes. They're packed up. They'll be headed to Washington for a rally on Sunday. Then Kaufman will be performing her radio show in D.C. at the beginning of next week. In Fort Lauderdale, Carrie Codd, My 33 News at 10.